Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G53, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now before we get started, I'm going to quickly mention a couple of things. Number one, this process allows you to get rid of screen locks if you don't know them. It just removes them completely. The downside is it also removes everything else. So all your data, it's a factory reset of the device. So yeah. And a second thing would be that if you are logged into a Google account in your settings and you have a screen lock, the device will become FRP locked. And what that means is once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup of your device, it will then tell you to verify one of two things, either the screen lock or the previously used Google account that was signed in on the device, which, as you can see, I have one. I will be deliberately locking this device so I can later on in another video show you how we can just bypass this altogether. So anyway, let's first lock the device and begin from here. So as you can see, I do have a pattern and I'll start off as though I don't know it. So number one, you want to turn off your device. It looks like we do so by holding power key and volume up. Thank you. And press power off. Oh, it's one of these devices. Okay, great. Great job, Motorola. You took the most useless feature from Samsung. Give yourself props. Anyway, so because Motorola decided to be annoying, what we need to do is hold power key and volume down. Basically, what they're doing right now is preventing us from turning off our device because we need to put in the pattern. Absolutely stupid, because the phone actually has sort of like a reset button, kind of like a computer would, and all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, and this feature completely gets ignored, that you need to put in your pattern to turn off the device. It's absolutely stupid. So let's do so right now. Power key, volume down. You do want to interact with the display just so you can see if it's gonna time out. Once it turns off, you want to switch to power key and volume up. There we go. Or it looks like it was power key and volume down as well. So I'm gonna try it again, considering it just turned off. Yep, there we go. So in both cases, it's power key, volume down. We hold it to turn off the device or restart it. Once the screen turns off, you can let go of the keys and then start holding them right away again. And you'll see this mode right here. And then using again volume keys to navigate, you want to select recovery mode, confirm it with power key. Next thing we will see is Android with no command. So to get past this, hold power key and press volume up once. And there we go. And in the recovery mode, again using volume keys, you want to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key, select factory data reset the same way. Give it a moment, it's gonna start formatting data, and the next thing we should see is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so just press power key once again to initiate that reboot, which will also continue the process of resetting your device in the background. There we go. So power key. Now one more thing to mention, this might take a little bit longer to boot back up than you might be used to, so it's completely normal, and don't worry. Just be patient, and once it's finished, like I said, we're going to be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you need also a guide on how to bypass the Google verification, which, like I said, the phone for me will be locked and you can see it right over here, then I'll be making that literally in the next video. So if you're interested, just look for it. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.